Are you stuck deciding between Codeberg and GitHub? You are not alone. Today, we are comparing these two popular platforms for developers. Both Codeberg and GitHub help you manage and share your code. They allow you to collaborate with others, track changes, and host your projects online. But they have some key differences. Let's start with Codeberg. This platform is built on the principles of open source and community driven development. It's a non-profit, which means it focuses on user privacy and freedom. Codeberg offers a clean interface and supports Git repositories, making it easy for users to manage their projects. Now, let's look at GitHub. This is the giant in the coding world. GitHub has a vast user base and offers many features like GitHub Actions for automation and GitHub Pages for hosting websites. It's widely used by both individuals and companies, making it a go to choice for many developers. When it comes to differences, Codeberg is all about community and privacy. It doesn't track user data and has no ads. GitHub, on the other hand, has more features but may collect user data for its services. In terms of features, GitHub has a lot to offer, like issue tracking, project management tools, and integrations with other software. Codeberg is simpler but focuses on core functionalities, which some users may prefer. For pricing, Codeberg is free for everyone, while GitHub has both free and paid plans. The paid plans offer more features for teams and businesses. So, which one should you choose? If you value community and privacy, go for Codeberg. But if you need advanced features and a larger community, GitHub is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.